All right, we're in Adobe Illustrator here, and I'm going to show you how to scale your stroke or outline proportionally. This one is a tricky one, and it's hidden. So what we're going to do here is if we scale this down right now, you see the stroke stayed the same thickness, although everything got smaller, so it does not look good. So what you want to do is very simple. Um, the best fix is to go to Illustrator settings, general, and you're going to see it over here, scale strokes and effects. Also corners. You want to do that if you want that. But scale stroke and effects. And now if you go back and do it, we'll scale it down. Guess what? It stayed. It proportionally made it smaller, right? And there's another way to do it. If you double click on the scale tool here, you're going to see it's right here. And it also corners. I'll show you what scale corners is too real quick. But you should be able to figure that out. But yeah, so make sure that's checked. And then you're good to go. And real quick, scale corners. If you have corners here like this, you'll want that to scale down. You don't want to go like this and have them see how now it almost turned into a circle, right? So you don't want that. You want scale corners to be on. Uh, Let me go back to where it was here. Boom. And then if you got scale corners on, let's drop this thing down and it goes with it. See, it did turn into like a giant radius. So that's how you do it. Yeah. Hopefully that helps. Let me know in the comments below.